Hello everyone, my name is Flora. Today I will read this book, Where Animals Live. Where Animals Live, written by Robert Chandlers, illustrated by Terry Heeman. Animals live in many different places. Some live above the ground, some live in the ground, some live on the ground, some live in the water. This bird lives in the trees. The monkey lives in the trees too. This frog lives in the pond. The turtles live in the pond too. This prairie dog lives in the burrow. The woodchuck lives in the burrow too. This bat lives in the cave. This bear lives in the cave too. This deer lives in the woods. The fox lives in the woods too. This octopus lives in the ocean. The whale lives in the ocean too. Mandy and Mitchell live in the house. People are animals too.